Hey, it's Alex with Paragon Performance. Today we're going to be installing our C8 carbon fiber front lip. It's a simple install, just need a T15. Let's get to it. You don't need a lift to do this install, however it makes it easier, but you can do it on the ground or jack the front end of it up, just do it safely. All right, so we're going to remove the 21 T15 screws here along the bottom of the lip using that T15. All right, take a rag, just wipe off any of the debris, rocks, little stuff that way, using your detailer of choice. And then when you install the front lip, it works best to work from one side, putting all the screws in by hand and working your way around, and then go back through and tighten them down. All right, then go back through and tighten them down. Just remember it's carbon fiber and not to over tighten them. There you have it. Pretty simple install there on our carbon fiber front lip. You get that sweet carbon fiber there on the front of your car. Don't forget to check out our other carbon fiber products that we offer, as well as upcoming carbon fiber stuff. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.